Okay, now let's change font in your store. So under theme settings, go to typography, and you can change the font size, for example, from medium to small. You can also see the live preview here. So I like the large font. It's especially good if you're targeting kids or older people. Well, kids, older people, or obviously you want you just want more kind of fun theme. This is also useful to have this kind of larger theme, larger font. Sorry. Now you can change the style of the font. So as you can see, you can change either font of the headings or the of the body text. So let's change the headings. And here we've got quite extensive list of the fonts, so we can choose which one we want. Obviously, it's only A to B, so you can load more, or you can choose which one you want from the ones that are displayed. Obviously, this is just an example to show you how it works, so I will choose Acco because I like the look of it, and I'll add it. And I'll simply click Select. As you can see, the heading updated instantly. So this is how the new heading font looks like. And now I'll update the body text. So this is this part. I'll change it to, let's say, Alfie, and select. As you can see, the font updated. However, I don't like it's a little bit too fancy. I like the font that is easier to read. So I'll change it again to something simpler. Let's go for Antique Olive and select. Okay, I really like it. I like how it looks. It's very easy to read. It's bold, it stands out, and it's very user-friendly. And user-friendly font is something Google really loves, so I am happy. Now I'm gonna click Save.